Hi, are you open? I'm in a rush. Yeah, I'm open. I already know it's gonna be $8.75, so here's a 20 and I'll just take the cash back. Okay, great. Let me just pull up the register here. Well, I'm kind of in a hurry, so I just need my change. I kind of have to wait for the register. Okay. She's a little slow this morning. Seriously, I'm really running late here. And I seriously can't do anything until the register tells me what to do. I don't understand. I just need cash back. Well, because I don't know how much to give you. What? I don't know how much to give you. It's just simple math. Yeah, not really a math person. You can't figure this out. No, okay, no, I can't. Not even simple math will compute up here. So if you could just hold on one moment for the register. I'm sorry, and now you've embarrassed me. I didn't know what the change was either. I was just hoping you'd be able to tell me. Well, I can't, but the register says it's 11:20.